First off the top tonight, in a medical emergency, an ICU bed may be your best hope of surviving. But with COVID patients on the rise here in North Texas, available ICU beds are hitting critical levels. I'm Doug Dunbar. We're streaming live tonight as we do on CBSN DFW. Denton County, among the worst off as we go on the air tonight. Only 6 ICU beds available in the entire county right now. 73 are in use, more than half of those by COVID patients. And tonight, our Caroline Vandergriff asked Denton County leaders how they are managing the stress of all the patients.
Space is dwindling in the intensive care units in Denton County.
Out of our 5 wonderful hospitals that we have in Denton County, we only have a handful of staffed ICU beds left available.
Texas Health Denton Presbyterian Hospital says it has ways to make more room for patients, but staff members are being stretched thin.
We had our first COVID patient back on March 8th, and we've been in the world of COVID since then. And so we're on 9 months, and the staff's getting tired, just like our community.
For people who live in Denton County, if they have a serious injury or illness, should they be worried at all about being able to go to the hospital?
They should absolutely not be fearful of coming to a hospital. We are prepared to care for our community members.
Denton County Public Health says more than half of the patients occupying ICU beds in the county's hospitals have COVID-19.
We just really need the help of our community members to slow the spread. We were already starting to see an increase in COVID before Thanksgiving, and we're expecting another spike.
They ask people to continue to remain vigilant about wearing masks and social distancing, especially as we get closer to Christmas.
So the worst thing to have is for to host a party and have people become sick afterwards. That's not the kind of Christmas present anybody wants.
Because even though the hospitals have options to help alleviate an ICU shortage, the most important solution is prevention. Caroline Vandergriff, CBS 11 News.
Taking a look around, Dallas and Tarrant County, by the way, have more ICU beds than Denton County, as you'd expect. So expect more open beds, and there are, but there's still not a whole lot of margin. Tarrant County, 18 open ICU beds tonight, according to the county health department. As of yesterday, the most recent day we have full data for, 44 were available in Dallas County. Collin County, by the way, does not report detailed daily data. Instead, they rely on regional and also statewide data from the state.